Hello. Rain is the rain. Topic of pollution. As far as Eracor Lagoon is concerned, that one report it is released. Sa Potvilla wastewater treatment. And then outlaw every place where we assessment lem VCH and the lowest or we say low performer. I mean system lem it is no walking. And since it quick we know sabe. After all report ulit mo to pollution say emi high risk and government is tapi tu mo isang priority plan lo victim na so mo na mapil no mo ko local communities we relief lo both side lo no fishing first time so siga sem message please pass them message go as far as where places are very simple tell them people please no kakay first time solo no use solo da first time very very important government must deal with it before you make a vacation solo tablo you make them living by mila very dangerously help to you